Hi students, today we shall see about functions. We can define a function as a special relation which maps each element of set A with one and only one element of set B. Both the sets A and B must be non-empty. Here, a function defines a particular output for a particular input. Hence, f such that A tends to B is a function such that for A belongs to A, there is a unique element B belongs to B such that A, B belongs to f. In this section, we will learn about the various representation of functions which will show the relationship between two elements of sets. A function may be represented by a set of ordered pairs, a table form, an arrow diagram, a graphical form. Let's choose A tends to B be a function. Set of ordered pairs. The set of f equal to x, y such that y equal to f of x for all x belongs to A. Of all ordered pairs represent a function. The second one, table form. The values of x and the values of their respective images under f can be given in the form of table. An arrow diagram. This indicates the elements of the domain of f and their respective images by means of arrows. Fourth one, graph. The ordered pairs in the collection f equal to x belongs to y such that y equal to f of x and x belongs to A are plotted as points in the xy plane. The graph of f is the totality of all such points. Types of functions. There are many types of functions, and here we shall see one function, many one function, onto function and into function. One function. A function f tends to a function f such that A tends to B is 1 to 1 if for each element of A there is a distinct element of B. It is also known as injective. Look at the diagram. Consider if A1 belongs to A and A2 belongs to B, f is defined as f such that A tends to B such that f of A1 equal to f of A2. Many one function. It is a function which maps two or more elements of A to the same element of set B. That is, two or more elements of A have the same image in B. Onto function. A function is called an onto function if each element in the codomain has at least one pre-image in the domain. Look at the diagram and understand it more clearly. One and onto function, which means bijective. A function f is one and onto or bijective if the function f is both one-to-one and onto function. In other words, the function f associates each element of A with a distinct element of B, and every element of B has a pre-image in A. Let us also see some special cases of function. The one is constant function, the second one is identity function, the third one is real valued function. What is constant function? If the function f such that R tends to R is defined as f of x equal to y equal to c for x belongs to R and c is a constant in R, then such function is known as constant function. The domain of the function f is R and its range is a constant c. Plotting a graph, we find a straight line parallel to the x-axis. We find a straight line parallel to the x-axis. The second one is identity function. Let R be the set of real numbers if the function f R tends to R is defined as f of x equal to y equal to x. That is, for x belongs to R, then the function is known as identity function. The domain and the range being R. The graph is always a straight line and passes through the origin. That is called identity function. The third one is real valued function. A function f such that A tends to B is called a real valued function if the range of f is a subset of the set of all real numbers R. That is f of A subset of R. Finally, here I would like to introduce vertical line test, horizontal line test. A curve drawn in a graph represents a function, and if every vertical line intersects the curve in at most one point is called vertical line test. What is horizontal line test? A function represented in a graph is 1, 1. If every horizontal line intersects the curve in at most one point.